SoftAcademy. So today in this tutorial session I'll discuss about a new topic on Oracle Forms Developer, which I have started. You have seen in my screen I have started it, the series of Oracle Forms Developer. So introduction to Oracle Forms, as you see in my screen, this is the part 1. Then part 2 is this creating the first form and then creating the form manually and with the DML programming. This is the part 3, and this is the part 4, which is creating master detail form with database operations. And this is the part 5, which is creating a LOV or list of values and how to attach it with how to working with LOV. Okay, so this is the part 6 of this series of Oracle Forms Developer, that is also called Developer 2000 or D2K. So who are watching this tutorial new and who are visiting my channel new, for them a little bit of introduction about my channel and about me. So in this video tutorial channel I uploads different videos on Oracle, for Oracle different modules like Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PLSQL, that is PLSQL programming, Oracle Forms and Reports development, which I have already I have told I have started a series of that, and I also uploaded video for Oracle database architecture and database design. And so I uploaded video for Oracle DBA, that is database administration, and all Oracle database architecture and design, and also Unix shell programming and shell scripting. So if you just watch all the videos, I have uploaded many videos, as I told you, on different topics, on different modules of Oracle, different technologies. So just watch from the beginning, start to end, who are watching new and who have no idea about the Oracle database and about the SQL, about PLSQL. He can learn from the beginning from my this tutorial channel, because I have started from very basic, like Oracle SQL, DBMS concept, and various videos on Oracle SQL, and then Oracle PLSQL programming, from the basic to the advanced level of discussions on different topics, as you see in my screen: clusters, exceptions, collections, arrays, explain, plan, materialized views, records, PL/SQL records, then complete video for Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL, then Oracle database architecture and database administration fundamentals, and various videos for advanced topics or from the DBA side, like internal architecture of Oracle database. These are very important to know for a experienced professional who are actually 10+ years of experiences, who are actually working with DBA, working as a DBA. And also select statement processing inside the Oracle database. This is very important question which you can face, which you are if you are experienced person, experienced Oracle professional, and you are going to face an interview, you can face this kind of questions. A very important question for Oracle interviews. And there are other videos for like DBMS output package, the exception I need package, Pragma. And I have started also, I have already uploaded many videos on Oracle interview questions and answers, as you see in my screen from here. And these all questions and answers from my experiences. I took interviews for many candidates for many MNCs, which I have seen that many candidates are not able to answer properly this kind of questions. Either he or she is a fresher or 4-5 year experiences, or maybe he is 10+ years experiences or 15 years experiences, but they are not able to properly answer me this kind of questions. Why I have taken interview of them. Okay, so that's why I have shared all these questions with the proper answers for your learning. If you watch this video, if you in detail. I have discussed every questions with proper answers, and you can make your answers, and you can, if you watch completely in detail, you can just make these answers properly, and you can reply on the you can reply with your answers to the interviewer properly, okay? Because in each video I have discussed in detail with the proper explanation and the hands-on also, okay? So as you see, there is a difference between procedure, function, difference between truncate, delete, table and view, row ID, row num, primary key and foreign key. Each questions are very much important. You can face with any positions of Oracle in your interview. So union and union all differences, and I have shared top 15 interview tips. You just watch this video completely, and if it helpful for you, you just give a like, and you can just comment me if you have followed this one, any one of these tips, or any more than one tips, and if you are going to follow in future, okay? Just comment below. And this is the statistics. This is very important for Oracle developer. And I have discussed other videos like dual table, all about dual table, and this is the part 2 of interview tips and difference between. And there are many videos which actually I have made for request on the request of my follower and subscriber. You just watch these videos, like cursors, while using same cursors, why we can find the different output. And there are other DBA videos like how to export data in CSV file, how to export data in Excel file. And this is the complete Oracle Professional, my online training course details. You can watch this if you want to join in my Oracle Professional online course. And there are other videos for percentage type and percentage row type difference, and these are the table data using collection, how we can insert, how we can transfer table data using collections. This is very important concept, and I have discussed everything in detail with the proper hands-on. And difference between implicit and explicit cursor, this is the normalization, all about the normalization. So if you watch this video, you have clearly understanding what are the different aspect of normalization, what is the purpose of normalization, and what are the different techniques and purposes of normalization, okay? And this is the in exist, difference between in exist, this is very much important. This is the difference between count star, count one, and count column name. This is very much important for a interview. And this is the logical database structure for DBA perspective. I have made this video. And this is the Oracle SQL developer interview preparation, how we can prepare your interview for Oracle any positions like SQL developer, Oracle developer, PLSQL developer, database tester, like this, any kind of interview preparation on Oracle technologies. This is the all about subtier and untier function. You just watch this out, and this is the tricky questions for 2 different videos. You just watch these videos. This has been asked for one of my follower, so I have made these videos for on this topic. And this is the Oracle career growth and opportunities. You can just watch this video. What are the career opportunities and career growth in Oracle technologies, who are watching, who are actually starting their career, just passed out from the college and want to make their career in Oracle technologies, started learning Oracle. So what are the opportunities and career growth for them in future, job opportunities and career growth? They can just watch this video, and they can learn many things and many prospect of Oracle technologies, okay? And Oracle all about the virtual columns. This is important one video. And this is the date manipulation. What are the various manipulation, date manipulation we can do in Oracle? And here I have started, from here I have started the Oracle forms and reports development, that is D2K or developer 2000, as I told beginning. So today's video, this is the part 6 of this series, Oracle Forms Developer or D2K or Developer 2000. Okay, this is all about my channel, about my video uploaded already, and just watch all the videos one by one, and watch from the start to the end, so that you can learn in detail about the topic which I have discussed in my video. And with the hands-on, you just watch all completely video, watch the video completely, and after watching, if you think that it was useful for you, if you have learned from my video, and if my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like to my video, comment the video, comment over the video how it was, and just like the video and subscribe my channel. Whoever watching new, just subscribe my channel and hitting the notification bell, so that on my next video you will get the notification and you can watch and learn from my video. Okay, and also just share my channel name or channel link. This is the link, just video, this is the channel link. So just share this channel name or channel link to your friends, colleagues, and to them who you know, so that they can also learn from my video, watching my video, and they can make their skills, okay, and grow their skills. Okay, so this is all about my tutorial channel, SoftAcademy Oracle tutorial channel. And about me, I want to say that my name is Rabin, and I have total of 17 years of experiences working with different Oracle technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PL/SQL, Oracle database design and architecture, Oracle database administration, Oracle performance tuning, Unix sales programming and scripting, and also Oracle forms and reports development. So during my 17 years of experiences, I have worked with many positions, like Oracle started from Oracle developer to technical lead, then team lead, project lead, technical project manager, a senior system analyst, and project manager. So all this kind of roles I have worked with in my 17 years of duration of working experiences with the Oracle technologies and Unix technologies. And I provided training for all these technologies. Last 10 years I am providing trainings to Oracle, all these technologies, and Unix, all these technologies. I am providing training to the employees, freshers employees who are just joining in any company, or who are experienced people working also, or working in the company, but they shifted to other projects which are in the Oracle platform. I am providing training for them, and I am providing training for many MNC companies for their employees, and also I am providing training to various batches who personally contact me for and want to take my training sessions. So I am providing all these trainings through the online interactive training sessions, all these Oracle technologies and Unix technologies, like Oracle complete SQL programming or SQL structured query language training, complete Oracle PL/SQL programming training, complete Unix shell scripting training, complete Oracle database architecture and design training, complete Oracle database administration training, and Oracle forms and reports development or D2K training. Okay, so if you want to join my online interactive training sessions, and these trainings are all very much interactive, and you can just learn step by step with various hands-on. So if you want to join all this any of these modules of or this kind of trainings on Oracle platform, you just can contact me over the WhatsApp number. This is here in the about page. So if you want to join my online training session, you just WhatsApp me in this number, or you can just email me in this email ID. Okay, and if you want more information, you just WhatsApp me or email me. I will reply on that email, and there is a small process. I'll tell you on the reply, and after completion of that process you can just start your online training sessions immediately. Okay, so that's all about my channel. And as I'm told, I'm a and right now I'm a senior Oracle consultant, and as well as technical and corporate trainer, and also interviewer. Okay, I'm taking interviews multiple MNCs for multiple MNCs for their employees. Okay, so that's all for my introduction about my channel and about me. And right now I am going to start today's topic, which I will discuss. So in today's topic I'll discuss about the sixth part of Oracle Forms development. So today I'll going to discuss in this video tutorial about the point wise. I'm telling you first one is what is the list item. So this is very much important in Oracle Forms development. List item is very much important to use. Second is how to create a list item, and third one is how to insert record in table through the list item in Oracle Forms. Okay, so first I'm going to discuss about what is list item. Okay, so list item in Oracle Forms is a item which is basically hold the value as a drop down list. Okay, you can choose the value from the drop down list, whatever value you can choose, and you can choose only one item at one value at a time. Okay, so that is the list item. And how to create a list item. Okay, so to create a list item I am going to my Oracle Forms builder. So I'm opening my form builder. So after opening the form builder you will see this dialog. Just click over cancel, and whenever you click over cancel you will just see this window. I have described everything from started whatever this is called, how each node. I have explained everything in my first first video of Oracle Developer 2000 of this series. You just watch from the first video. Okay, so in this video I'll just create list item, and I will show you how we can work with list item. Okay, so first one I have to create one data block. So I will I select the data block, and I will just click over the plus button, that is create button, and it will show me this pop-up window which is has two different options. First one is a list the data block wizard and build a data block manually. So I'll go with the first option, wizard, and click over OK. So I just click over next, and table or view, I'll make this data block on a table or view. Just click next, and here I have to write the table name, or I can select the table name using this button. Just browse, and when I clicked over browse, it will show me this dialog box because my form builder is not connected with the database. So I'll connect my database using the password, that is using the user and password, that is user is Scott and password is Tiger. And when I connect it with my database, it is showing the available tables which are in my Scott schema. Okay, so I just click over the employee. I'll take the employee table, just click OK, and these are the available columns in the employee table, and I'll just select all in my database item. Okay, just click over next, and then finish. And this is the layout wizard, so I'll just click over next. So I'll go for default and next, and displayed item will be all. So next, and just click one next, and I'll make it tabular because I want to insert data in the EMP table through this form. Okay, so uh, if I go to form, just I can insert one record at a time, but I want to insert more than one record, so that's why I'll choose here tabular. So you can see, you can just design the form like this. Okay, so that we can insert the more record to my database table. Okay, so I'll go for tabular and click one next. I'll how many records I want to display, how many, so I just make here six records I want to display at a time, or I want to insert at a time. So I just put here 6 and next, and this finish, and you can see my layout wizard is created. It is the all the items is placed over the canvas. This is the canvas, and this is the tools. I have described everything in my previous videos. You just watch all the videos from the beginning. So here I'll work with list item. So now what I'll do is I'll just make this a little bigger, this item bigger. Okay, so by default Oracle form builder will create a text box for each field, and now I want to create a list item on the department field. Okay, so how I can do that? Just I will select this field or department number, and just right click over that. I'll go into the property palette, and here you can see the item is text item. The item type is text item, and here you have to choose to create the list item, you have to choose the list item. Okay, so here you can see the list item here. This is the list item. Just I will choose list item, and whenever I'm creating a list item, I have to insert some values in my list. Okay, so that you can see in the drop down list. Okay, the values will show in the drop down list. So here you can see the property elements in list. So if you click here, just click over this, and here you can see the list elements and the value. So in the department number, if I just see in the table, select star from DPT, I can see only 4 department is there: 10, 20, 30 and 40. So if I insert data in that table EMP, I have to give the department number within this 4 department number. Okay, just I have to give the department number within these values 10 to 40, right? Because department number and employee table, EMP table, are master and detail table. They are in relation with master detail table. Okay, right? Select star from EMP. So I have discussed in my previous video master detail. When I created master detail form, this is the master table and this is the detail table. So you can see the department number values are obtained from the department number from the department table, and any other values we cannot put here. So I'll create my list item for department number from 10 to 40. Okay, so I just give here 10, and here also 10. Next one I'll give 20, here also 20. Third one I'll give 30, and next this one is also 30, and fourth one is 40, and I'll give here 40. Okay, so I have given all the department values. Okay, just click over OK, and I just close it. See here, drop down list has been created. It is showing the drop down icon. Okay, now I'll just compile it and run it. Okay, so I'll just go to program, compile all. Okay, now I'll run by this button. So my form is showing beautifully. Okay, so in this form I can insert record in the EMP table. Okay, so here EMP table has 14 records. I will insert some more 1 or 2 or 3 records by this form. Okay, so let's see how I can insert data inside in the EMP table by using our form. Okay, and using the list item. Okay, so my EMP number, let's say next EMP number is 8000. This is not here, right? Okay, and employee name is John, JOHN, and job is analyst, and manager I'll give here King, because he's the president, so his ID is 7839, so I'll put here 7839. Next, hire date, let's say today's date, and salary 3000, commission let's say 10, and department number I have to choose from here. So I can see clearly that there are 4 departments in my list item or drop down list. Just I will choose here any department between among these 4 departments. Okay, let's say I'll choose here 10. Okay, just from I just first I just save one record, and I'll just click over this save button. So now check here if my data is inserted in my table or not. Select star from EMP. Okay, see here this record has been inserted in my table, EMP table. 8000 John analyst, this is the manager ID and today's date, and this is the salary, commission, and department 10. Okay, fine. So I have already inserted one record in the EMP table. So in this way I can insert multiple records through this form and any of the department among 10 to 40. Okay, just I'll close it and I run it again, and this time I'll insert two records. Let's see, multiple records I want to insert right now. Now I'll insert 858500 is my employee ID. This name is Albert, and job is programmer. Manager is 7839. Hire date is 16 April. Salary is 3500. Commission is 20, and this time I make it 30. Okay, just I give the department number 30. Okay, now next employee ID I will put here 9000, and Mike is the name, and job is SQL developer. Okay, manager is 7839, and today's date, and the salary is 4000, and commission is 10, and here let's say I'll give here give here 20. Okay, this is 30 and this is 20. Okay, now I'll save multiple records, more than one records. Just I will click over save. Let's see my data is inserted in the EMP table or not. select start from EMP. So you can see this is the one record I have inserted, Mike SQL developer, and this is the another record I have inserted. So two record I have inserted. First one is 8500, this is here Albert, and next one is 9000 Mike. Okay, so I can insert multiple records at a time through this form using the list item. Okay, so I think you have understood it well, right? We can insert multiple table multiple records in the table, and we can insert in different department using the list item. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and hope you have liked this video. And if you like this video, and if this video was informative for you, and if you learned from this video, or this video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel, and also share my video with your friends and colleagues, and to whom you know, so that they can also learn from my video and also grow their skill. Okay, so that's all for this today's tutorial session. Just give a like, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so thank you very much for your for watching my video, and hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.